Y'all, these waves got to be every bit about 3 foot tall. Look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. Look how beautiful. And they just keep crashing. Take in the scenery a little bit different than farm world. Living in the farm world. I hadn't been to the beach in probably about 15 years. And the sad thing about it is I live about 45 minutes from Myrtle Beach, and I could go anytime I wanted to, but life doesn't happen that way. So finally get to come out here and enjoy it for once. I've never actually been able just to come out here and hang out and chill out, sit on the beach and relax. Most time if I come, I'm in a hurry, walking down the beach, find some seashells, and then I go back home. But this is very relaxing. Much needed vacation. Small vacation. Only gonna be here for a couple hours, but hey, it's worth it. Justin's waiting on me over there on the sand hill over there. Well, I'll see y'all on the next video.